Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to turn on ad topics based on your recent browsing in Google Chrome. This updated feature gives you more control over the kind of ads you see, making them more relevant while keeping your privacy in check. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version so you can access the newest settings without any issues. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This opens the main menu where all your browser options are located. From there, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Chrome works for you. Inside Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. This section controls how your data is used and protected while browsing. Next, tap on Ad Privacy. Google introduced this feature to give users more transparency and control over personalized ads. Now, tap on Ad Topics. This is where Chrome uses your recent browsing activity to determine topics that might interest you, like travel, technology, or fitness. You'll see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Simply turn on Ad Topics by tapping the switch. Once it's enabled, Chrome will start using your browsing history to show ads that better match your interests.